some opening statements. The Office of the President himself, has received intelligence informations that has been validated and appears to show that there is a deliberate attempt to discredit this administration as well as to boost the candidacies of the opposition senatorial candidates. And it appears that there are certain groups who are working together to achieve this goal. This group appears to be the Liberal Party. Some personalities identified as advocates are very active in social media, dishing out anti-Duterte statements and sentiments, and validated to be allied with the Liberal Party. Also working together with groups indicated in the matrix presented to you the other week. That's it.
MPC, may tanong. Maricel Halili.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Sir,
Morning.
you mentioned na related din siya dun sa matrix presented the other week, meaning related siya kay Bicoy.
Yes.
But kanina, sir, sa press conference ni Senator Tito Soto, sinasabi niya na itong certain Bicoy na to is the same person na nag-accuse kay former President Noynoy Aquino to be involved in drugs. So paano natin tatahiin yon if he was also accusing Noynoy Aquino?
What appears from the information received by the President is that the one he presented previously against Pinoy and other personalities would be coming from the same group antagonistic with the same members of the group. Meaning to say, it's coming from the same sector. You know, in a group, it doesn't mean that all of you are in consonance with each other. There will be some rebels there, and they're doing their thing. What is important is it appears that I will show you some diagrams handed to me by the Office of the President. Can you? Wala bang ano? Wala ba sa matrix? Baka nasa matrix na yun. Baka nasa PowerPoint na yun. Nasa PowerPoint ito supposed to be.
Patulong na lang.
Sir, ready na daw po yung PowerPoint.
Ha?
Ready na daw po yung PowerPoint.
Kaya nga, hindi. Pero ito muna. Ano yung ito para may gano'n? Para may... The other group, by the way, is Magdalo. Saan si Martin?
Sir,
Sek,
clarification.
halika na.
Secretary
Sec,
Martin.
Sec Martin, please come over. No, halika na. Para I can leave. The John Lloyd of Malacanang is here. Nasaan na yung PowerPoint? Makikita na ba ito? Wala pa? Kunan nyo. Kunan nyo na lang ng picture. Hindi mo pwede mailabas ng
Meron PowerPoint.
Ay, nasaan?
They're waiting for your cue.
Hindi, sinabihan ko na nga kung pwedeng ilabas na ito in this particular para makita nyo. Pero siguro mas malaki ito.
Sabihan.
Okay, Maricel.
PowerPoint.
Sir?
Sige, Maricel. Ito na.
O, tanong na,
Ayan.
tanong na.
Sir,
Maricel.
just a clarification. Opo. You mentioned na yung mga rebels doon sa loob ng Liberal Party, yung possible people behind sa
Yung
paninira.
nauna, baka sila rin yun. Yung mga kontra kay Pinoy, kontra kay Dilima, same group.
So, are
But,
you...
teka muna, but what is important? Huwag muna tayong pumunta ron. Kasi ang importante, itong lumalabas ngayon, what is important now is it appears from this diagram that the Liberal Party, the Magdalo, and other groups indicated in the matrix are working hand in hand. Why do we say this? The intelligence information shows that some of them, if not all of them, are using the same office. A 4 square meter office. What do you call this? Linear something, Makati. And personalities like Bong Banal, Kokoy Dayaw, and Rodel Jaime, they're all known to be advocates of the Liberal Party. And then, even their email address appears to be, sabi ko kanina, yung email nila.
Yun nakuha sa digital footprints that they're the ones sharing the information.
That their email are the ones sharing this video of Bikoy. Yung mga email nila. Ibig sabihin, the same people are sharing the same video of Bikoy.